Imagine waking up to a mountain sunrise, brewing fresh coffee inside your own luxury home on wheels, and realizing that today's road can take you absolutely anywhere without limits. This is not just another camper. This is the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome Camper Truck. And today on Road Trip Vlogs, we're exploring why this vehicle is setting a new benchmark for modern road adventures. The first impression of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is powerful and confident. Chevrolet has perfectly blended rugged truck DNA with sleek, modern motorhome styling. The bold front design, strong body lines, and improved aerodynamics make it look ready for both highways and off-road escapes. Every detail feels purposeful, built for travelers who want strength, safety, and style all in one package. Under the hood, Chevrolet delivers a reliable and capable engine designed for long-distance touring. This motorhome handles steep climbs, long stretches of highway, and challenging terrain with ease. The refined suspension system absorbs road imperfections smoothly, making long drives more comfortable and less exhausting. Advanced driver assist and safety features give you confidence. Whether you're navigating busy city roads or remote mountain routes, step inside and the experience completely changes. The interior of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is designed to feel open, modern, and surprisingly spacious. High-quality materials, soft ambient lighting, and clever storage solutions turn every inch into usable space. The seating area easily transforms into a cozy sleeping setup, while large panoramic windows allow natural light and breathtaking views to follow you wherever you park. The kitchen area is compact but impressively practical. It includes modern appliances, smart cabinets, and durable surfaces that make cooking on the road enjoyable rather than stressful. After a long day of driving, preparing a warm meal feels easy and satisfying. The bathroom is thoughtfully engineered, offering privacy, efficient water usage, and comfort without wasting space, which is essential for long journeys. Technology is a major highlight in this 2026 model. A digital control system lets you manage lighting, temperature, power usage, and water systems from one central interface. Connectivity features keep you linked to navigation, entertainment, and emergency support, ensuring peace of mind on every trip. Solar support and energy-efficient systems make off-grid living more realistic and sustainable for adventurous travelers. What truly makes the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome Camper Truck special is its flexibility. It's ideal for solo explorers, couples, and small families who want freedom without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're planning short, weekend escapes, or embracing full-time road life, this motorhome adapts to your journey and your lifestyle. If open roads, hidden destinations, and unforgettable memories excite you, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome Camper Truck could be your ultimate travel companion. Subscribe to Road Trip Vlogs for more detailed motorhome reviews, real travel experiences, and inspiring road adventures. The journey starts the moment you turn the key, and with Chevrolet, the road feels more open than ever.